Welcome to AI with Rumzi. In months back, I made a video on how to use text to generate images and videos using Wix AI. And that particular video has actually pulled up a search. How people discovered that video was when they searched for things like Wix AI tutorials, how to use Wix for image and video generation. And just because of that, I see comments in my comment section on that video on how they can animate images. But the truth is that Wix AI is no longer available. But don't worry, guys. Google, which was former owner of Wix AI, has actually given us another alternative AI tool that we can use to generate image and video, just like what we were doing before with Wix AI. So, guys, I'm going to be revealing the name of this free AI tool that Google just gave us in place of Wix, how to use it to generate images, maintain consistency of your characters, and even animate those images in a smooth way. So if this is what you have been searching for, or if this is what you want to watch, please stick to this video to the end as I show you the entire process. Let's get into the tutorial. So when I go to my browser and search for Wix AI, you can see the search results right here. I click on the first link that says Wix Labs, and immediately you'll notice something interesting. Because when the page opens, it looks almost exactly like the normal Google Wix AI interface we already know. But then it redirects me to sign in with a Google account. So I choose my Gmail account I want to use. I log in and boom, something unexpected pops up. It says, "Welcome to Flow. Thank you for being a Wix user. Image and video generation has moved to Flow." And at that moment, I realized something huge. Wix didn't really disappear, it just moved. Meaning that this new platform, Flow, where we can generate images, still maintain character consistency, and even now you can animate those characters into full videos without struggling. So basically, Flow is like Wix AI upgraded secret twin. Now right here it says get started with Flow. So I click on that, and this is where things get interesting, because from this point onward we will be using Flow almost the same way we used Wix AI, but with more power and precision. Now on this interface, if you want to start creating your images and videos, you click on new project right here. Wait for it to load, give it a second. And once this second interface opens, don't get confused because I'll break down everything clearly to you. Now, the first thing you will notice is this panel here that says start and end. This is for video generation, and you will also see that it is currently set to video generation. But since we want to start with image generation first, we need to change that. So I click here and switch from video to image because I want to generate images for my story. Now, once you have done that, you can set your aspect ratio. You choose 16:9 if you are creating YouTube long videos, or 9:6 if you are creating YouTube shorts, reels, TikTok, or any vertical video type. For this tutorial, I am leaving mine on 16:9. Next setting is this 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. What it means is the number of images you want Flow to generate per prompt. So if you choose 4 times, it will generate 4 different image options per generation. But for me, I'm going to leave mine at 1 time. That means I'm going to generate 1 image per image generation. And if you're following this video up to this point, just know you are already ahead of 90% of people. So make sure you like, subscribe, because I'm about to show you the real secret sauce. Now, the next setting is the image generation model. We have 3 options right here: Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Imagine 4. I am choosing Nano Banana Pro, and look at this part carefully. It says image generation costs 0 credits, meaning that image generation is completely free here on Flow. So now let's do something practical, not theoretical. Let me show you exactly how to use Flow to generate consistent characters for your storytelling. So In my ChatGPT, I've already gotten a storyline, and the story is about a group of women who secretly want to find out what a city woman is doing to their husbands in her restaurant. Because their husbands has suddenly stopped eating their food, stopped acting responsible, and now spend the whole day at the city woman's restaurant. So I told ChatGPT to develop the full story and generate detailed character prompts for each person. And as you can see, I have descriptions of the characters like Mama Amaka, Mama Zainab, Mama Adesua, and others. Now listen carefully. One of the biggest reason AI generated stories look fake and boring is because the characters keep changing. One scene they look this particular way, the next scene you see that there's another different thing from the character, and that destroys the entire storytelling experience. So the key to making your AI video look professional is character consistency, which I know that most of you missed while using Wix AI. And that's exactly what we're about to do now in Flow. So first, I copy the character description for the first character, for example, Mama Amaka. Then I come back to Flow. Since my settings are already on image generation, I simply paste the prompt describing Mama Amaka at this very place, then hit on send. Now we have to wait, and within seconds, Flow generates the image. And this right here becomes my first base character image. Now make sure you download it. For me to download it, I hover around the image, click the three dots, then click on download. You can choose either 1K or 2K image resolution. Of course, I'm choosing 2K because it has higher resolution and is still free. So now this is downloaded. I need to repeat the same step to generate all the characters in my story, that image for all the characters in my story. Remember, this is the basis of you maintaining consistency across your story. These base images are what we are going to use to maintain consistency in every single scene. Now, the next step is generating the scenes, because I already have the scene prompts too. So, for example, scene 1 includes Mama Amaka, Mama Zainab, and Mama Adesua. You ask me, how did I know about this? That's why you need to be reading your scene prompts. For you to actually know what you are doing in your storytelling generation, make sure you read your scene prompt. That will give you idea of the characters that makes up that particular scene. So I copy the prompts for scene 1, then I go back to Flow. I paste the scene prompt, then I click this plus icon right here. Then I choose upload image. And now I upload the base images of the 3 characters that appear in that particular scene. Watch carefully. I select Mama Amaka's character image. I select Mama Zainab's character image. I select Mama Adesua character image. I upload them. I'm going to let it to load. Then I hit on send. Just immediately, Flow generates the scene image with the same characters, same faces, same outfits, and same look, meaning consistency is maintained. And guys, this is the exact technique that separates amateur AI creators from people making cinematic AI stories. Now, using this same method, I generated all the scenes for the entire story. Remember, from your base image of each of the character, that's how you're going to upload each of those images that makes up the next scene, and put in the text prompt of what that base image is doing in that scene. That's how you get the whole scene images of the story. And if you look closely, you will notice that every character remains intact across every scene. Now, once you have all your scene images, the next step is animation, meaning converting these image scenes into videos. So now let's animate them. Before, when using Wix, we cannot actually animate them directly, but when using Flow, you can actually animate your images. Now look at this. When I logged into Flow using this particular email, Flow gave me 150 AI credits for free, and this credit refreshes daily. So you will use these credits to generate videos. But note, unlike image generation, video generation costs credits. So now we change the settings. I go back here and switch from image to video. Now we confirm our aspect ratio again. And the most important part is the video generation model, because the model you choose determines how fast your credit will finish. So I click the drop down arrow and you can see options like VO 3.1 light, VO 3.1 fast, VEO 3.1 quality. Now, since I want to manage my free credit properly, I choose VEO 3.1 light because it only costs 10 credits per generation. Now everything is set. So to animate a scene, I click on the start box, upload the scene image I want to animate, then I paste the animation prompt for that particular scene. And if I want my characters to even talk, this is where I add dialogue. So once I am done, I hit on send. Now Flow generates the video, and once it's ready, I click download, and that's it. Then I repeat the same step for every scene until I have all my scenes animated into full video clips. And that's literally how you can create a full AI animated story, from character creation to consistent scene generation to full video animation, all using Flow as an alternative to Wix AI. So basically, Wix didn't die, it only evolved into something powerful. And now Flow is the new platform you should be using right now. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.
This food fit make man forget stress. Forget stress. I don't forget my wife sef.
I hear say your food sweet well.
Oh, see this smell. Wait, what is this powder inside? Jesus. Now love potion be this so now this rubbish make our husbands they misbehave. We will not fight her in her restaurant. We will expose her in public. Good. I want shame. Let us do festival. She go fall like mango.
Free food. Today na better day.
Yay! My wife finally don't learn.
So village women can cook like this.
Madam Tiffany, tell the whole village what you they put for that food.
I don't know what you are talking about.
Then explain this powder and this drink mixture.
My wife forgive me. Now food tempt me. I promise I no go again.